Your website is often the first place that your potential clients go when they learn about your business. So besides it needing to look good, it needs to be written in a way that's really compelling and engaging if you're going to keep them scrolling. Let's have a look at 4 ways that you can connect to your audience with your website copy. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that makes a connection with their audience. And if you're going to make a connection, your copy has to immediately speak to your reader. The goal is to get them thinking, yeah, me too, that's exactly how I feel, so that they'll keep reading and hopefully buy what you're selling, right? So let's have a look at 4 ways that you can connect with your audience using your web copy. Number 1, know your dream client's pain point. Before you get into creating any content, you've got to understand everything you can about your dream client. Hit the like button if you've already done this work and you absolutely know your dream client inside and out. Some entrepreneurs skip over this step, but eventually they will realize that something isn't working and they have to go back to the beginning and do this work. Because the thing is, if you don't understand the reason why your dream clients are looking for a solution to their problem, then it makes it really hard for you to wrap your messaging around that pain point and connect it to the solution that you offer. Once you're able to make that connection, they'll feel like you truly understand them and that you also know how to solve their problem. But how can you get that feeling across in the words that you use? Well, this leads me to tip number 2. Listen to your audience. The best way to write your copy so that it connects with your audience is to use the actual words and phrases that they're saying. So you have to go out there and talk to them. To do this, simply ask members of your audience to jump on a 15-minute call with you. Usually people are more than willing to help. When you're on the call, hit record, and then when you're done, transcribe the call using a service like Temi.com. It's about 25 cents a minute, so it's totally affordable to do this. And the result is gold. Go through the transcription and highlight their pain points, their desires, and their objections revolving around their problem. Then you can pull actual phrases from your stash of notes to write super compelling content for your website. Number 3, listen to yourself. Your goal is to let your dream client know that you understand their problem. And a great way to do this is through storytelling, because everyone loves a story, but also we tend to listen better when what we're saying is organized in the framework of a story. So pay attention to things that happen throughout the day and make notes of anything that you could relate back to your dream client's problem. And number 4, pay attention to what your competitors are doing. It's important to read through your competitors' website and their social media post and their blog post so that you know if you sound the same. Because if you do, you've got a lot of work to do. Remember, the goal isn't to blend in with the pack, it's to stand out. So think about what's different about how you do what you do. We all bring something new to the table. So stand out by letting what's unique about you shine through in your messaging. Now, if you're writing your own website copy, then you must be in the process of getting your business online. And if that's the case, then I want to tell you about a great tool that I have to teach you step by step what tasks you need to get done to get your business launched in just 30 days. Head over to dowellwebsites.com/30-day launch to access my free 30 Days to Launch Playbook. And if you're enjoying all of these tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's go get them.